guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Basically, every morning what I do to kind of warm up before I start a bigger drawing or like a drawing in my sketchbook is to doodle random things that I come up with or ideas that I might have for a drawing that I might do in the future. And so I kind of just draw random things just to help my hand get going and just be a little more loose. And also this just really helps my flow of ideas to just sort of come together so I can figure out fun ideas for like future projects, like I said. So I usually take inspiration from things around me at first or things that I just imagine. I love using Pinterest for references, but I try not to use it all the time just because I try to train my brain to try to find inspiration without having to like look on Pinterest or anything on the computer, but by looking at things around me, because there are so many little things around me that are just like perfect to draw. I really recommend doing this exercise if you just feel like you're kind of in an art block or you need ideas for your drawing. Around the room you're in or wherever you are, you can even draw outside. There are usually tons of little elements that you can just draw and doodle on your page, or just ideas that you might have, even like a little cup that's full of pencils or what you had for breakfast, stuff like that. It can come together at the end and give you ideas for cool drawings that you can make or paintings. The reason why I do this with a black pen, which is not erasable, is because I want to make mistakes and I want to try to draw something without having to erase things and try to perfect it. My doodles aren't perfect, so they're just little ideas that I have. And honestly, ever since I started doing this, I have gotten so much more ideas for drawings, like bigger drawings and character designs. So I really recommend this exercise. Sometimes when the page just looks a little too black and white, I just get a marker, like this Crayola marker that I use, and I just add some color to some of the doodles that I made. Saturday mornings are one of my favorite times to draw because I feel like I can get so much more inspiration when I sit down for an hour. This sketchbook page that I had done, this was one of my pen sketches pages, was inspired by Alice in Wonderland after I had watched the movie. And I really want to make my own character design of the Queen of Hearts, which you'll probably see later in this video, but I was really excited with this sketch that I had made. I've always wanted to make my own Queen of Hearts design in my style, so watching the movie just kind of refueled that, and now I'm really excited for what I can make with these doodles. You can see I just used little elements. I began by sketching elements like the Mad Hatter's hat and the flamingos, and then after that I started getting ideas for the Queen of Hearts design, which is what pen sketches can lead to, is ideas for bigger drawings. The character design page that I decided to draw that morning was based off of a character named Briar Rose. When I was little, I think we might still have it, but we had this book called Snow White and Briar Rose, and it was this beautifully old illustrated book about Snow White and this character named Briar Rose. I'm not sure if she's supposed to be based off of Sleeping Beauty or not, but I came up with this character design of her. It was kind of random, but I really liked the idea. On Saturday mornings, I usually watch Drawing with Waffles while I draw, so I was ready to get started. Just to talk about the process a little bit, you can see that I actually started off this character design page with the line art first, and I used my black liners, which I usually actually don't use. I've been using them a lot more recently, but after I had gotten my brown fine liners, I really liked the softness of it. However, for this character page, I wanted the line art to be a little more harsh, to be a little more bold, which is why I brought in my black microns and put those down first and then put the colors on top. I usually put the colors underneath on top of the sketch and then I put the line art last, but I don't want to always be so dependent on the line art to fix everything once I put it on top. So I wanted to try it the other way around this time, and I think I like both ways, and I like how the black line art turned out. So that one Queen of Hearts design that I was talking to you about earlier, I decided to make a short of me like painting the design, but I ended up deciding I wanted to do it off camera, so you'll probably see it in my next studio vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like filming studio vlogs. They're very easy and fun to edit. So I'll definitely be doing a lot more in the future. I hope you guys have a really nice rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!